how to save the file to gallery in cam scanner application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can save your file in gallery in cam scanner application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. We have to open the cam scanner application, and from there you can see I have different files. Now if I want to save the file directly to my gallery, all I have to do is to tap on this file, and now you can see at the bottom of the screen three dots. So you have to tap right here on the three dots, and after that you will get access to the option which is save to gallery. So you have to tap right here on this option, and after that your file will be saved to your gallery. So this is how you can easily save your file in gallery directly from cam scanner. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.